Hey, yo, are you mining? Because we're making millions and millions of shiny rocks. The red one gives us like trillions.
I'm gonna do the orange.
Have you heard of the red brick monkey? He's on the loose. And he might turn in fire. If he gets too mad, he's gonna turn on fire. Yeah. Hopefully he doesn't turn on fire. You should just mine right here. You should mine this one. This one saves us trillions. Oh wait, did you hear that scream? You should go check it out. I'll to finish off mining.
I think it was over there.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. No, up there. It's down here, bro.
The brick monster.
Wait, the brick you mean brick? I don't see any brick monster. Bro, you just might be imagining. You're gonna be imagining these things. Yeah. Let's just go up here. Yeah. I think I hear the bat on the top. I think it's up there. Let's go check up there.
No, I know.
I think it's up here. Why is there a crack? Oh, there's probably a crack up here that made a scraping noise, right?
Yeah, probably.
There's a crack right here, so that was probably a scraping noise.
Yeah.
Let's just go back to mining.
Yeah.
Drop in the water. A big... Okay, that's just my imagination. I keep imagining the monster. Oh wait, it's shower time. It's our break time. It's time for break. Hey monkey, bro, you good? Oh my God, you're bleeding. Oh my God, his neck is bleeding. Oh, what the heck? What, is that my? Okay, that actually is the brick monkey. Oh my God. Why is this guy bleeding? His ears. Oh my God, they're the bleed. Oh my God. Oh, that was probably just yeah, probably. Hey yo, your ear is bleeding.
I know, I'm gonna have to get off soon.
Oh yeah, you need like a 4 minute, like a hour break of the game. We need an hour break of mining.
Bye, I have to get off.
Okay. See you later. I hope you mine soon. Ah! Bro. Were you just infected by the brick monkey?
I think I was.
Then why is he a brick monkey?
I don't know.
Okay, let's just get out of here.
Chill.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Okay.
Oh my God. Hopefully he does. Oh wait. Okay, Okay, he's actually growing muscles really fast, so we should get out of here. Let's get out.
Muscles?
Yeah. Those brick things are muscles.
Run, he's coming, run.
Hide over here. Hide right here.
No, I'm going. I'm sorry, Jeffrey, but I gotta go.
No, back here. I have a dungeon. I have a secret dungeon over here. A secret dungeon that has so much food, more than 1 million snacks, more than 1 million beef.
Jeffrey. You're gonna have to find me, Jeffrey.
Oh, hopefully it didn't get infected.
Jeffrey, come find me.
What, Jeffrey? Hey, yo, Jeff.
Oh, Jeffrey.
But where's Jeff? Wait, I forgot what his name was. I should go check on him. Let's go check. He seems...
You wanna play tag?
Oh wait, hold on. Hold on a minute. I thought that guy. But where is this lava brick monkey? Bro, he's actually scaring me. Okay. Hope this works. Brick monkey! my first. Okay, that's my first I was infected by him like 2 years ago. The infection's been on for like 500 years. I've been infected like 2 years ago. Hopefully I don't get infected for another 2 years. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm actually scared. I'm keeping my bow to kill him. Ah! Get over here! Right now! Yeah. Get over here, brick monkey! I'm gonna get you! Brick monkey. Okay, I think that infector guy's back. Okay, he's still here. He's on my... Okay, he's still here. Okay. Pineapple? That's yummy. Oh, the
Dude,
pep...
I'm still in clouds.
I should go check. Maybe the monster's actually not lying. Okay, hopefully that brick monkey doesn't appear up here again. Did you just go back up there? Oh my god. Pew, pew. Hey monkey! Get over here. Yeah. Yeah. Hurry. Get over here. Yeah. I'm coming for you.
Goodbye.
Come over here. I gotta kill you, brick monkey, for once and all. Okay. I think he's good. I just put him in the dumpster. Okay. This is our code right here. I'm gonna be in the code for a while. I'm gonna post a video so more people can join. I'm gonna post it.
Okay.
Wait, guys, make sure you join this code right here. I'm gonna be in here for like a couple, like until I have to leave. So, guys, I think you should join the code GHUI. You should join the code. We're gonna do a role play in like 10 hours, or I mean like 20 minutes. So you should. It'll take you 20. If you join in like 30 minutes, you'll be 10 minutes late for the role play. So, yeah, you should join right now. Yeah, you should join. You should join it right now.